Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So firstly, let's enter the contact list and find the contact you'd like to block. Let's tap on it and choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the option block numbers, so just tap on it and your device right now is telling you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report as a spam, so I would like to untick it and tap on block. As you can see, right now it is blocked, and this number won't bother you. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it appeared on the blacklist, because we've got another way to block a number. So let me get back, and right now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to choose blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked using our contact list. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, so after activating that, your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. So here we can add the number manually, so you do not have to save the number on your contact list, you can just enter it. So let me enter the number and tap on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist, so of course you won't receive any incoming calls or texts from those numbers. So of course you can unblock all of them just by tapping on this X button right next to it. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.